I know a lot of us who, have this text neck, Dr. Valley, are spending a lot of time with our gadgets when it's, our cell phones, working at the office, and we're hunched over and bent over like this. So I bet you see a lot of people coming in with that hump. That's gonna cause some back problems too, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Posture plays a role in neck and back pain, and we do see a fair number of young 20 patients who spend a lot of time on their phone that are getting pain in their upper thoracic, lower cervical back, and sometimes between the shoulder blades as well. Anytime you spend a prolonged period of time like this, it's going to lead to some pain. And
what are some tips that you can share with us to help us?
first of all, body positioning and body awareness is a major part. So just being aware of it and thinking about it is step one. But you also need to think about where you place screens in front of your face. So it's really easy to have the screen down here, but then you end up kind of like looking down all day. So moving the screen to a neutral position, and you want to have your wrist in a neutral position if you're typing. Have a pad maybe underneath your wrist if you to prevent carpal tunnel, things like that.
Oh, good one.
And then if you're on your phone, try to raise the phone so it's more level with your eyes. So your horizon is neutral and looking straight ahead. If you're spending all day looking down, it's easy to do because your phone is somewhat heavy, but just focus on keeping it above midline.
Okay.
There are a few exercises that we could all do on a daily basis to help.
But I mean, we could do these exercises simply at work or on our lunch break.
100%. You could do it at your desk if you want to.
See? Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So, I mean, I think the easiest one to start with is just to think about, reversing all the motion that you're doing. So you're hunched down like this. If you really over-exaggerate the movement, press down, and then kind of with the breath in, come up like this.
Oh, that feels good.
Take your arms and kind of like rotate them back as far as you can and stretch out your chest, and then kind of hold that.
Yes.
And then release your breath, and then exaggerate the movement, and then keep coming up. And just do that a couple times, and that'll help open up your pec muscles, because when you're collapsed down, you internally rotate your arms, your pec muscle gets really short, and that can get tight and kind of exacerbate a rolled shoulder. So if you want your shoulder back, you need to work on that.
Okay, that feels really nice.
Yeah, and then just doing gentle neck stretching exercises, but I like to combine it with a shoulder stretch. So you use your paraspinal muscles in your back run between your scapula, so your periscapular muscles run all the way up to your neck. So if we stretch out our periscapular muscles by doing a cross arm stretch, and then just taking our neck and stretching it away from that side, stretching it toward that side, and then kind of down and up, and then switching sides and doing the same thing, will really help stretch out some of the muscles back here.
That feels nice.
Help reverse the text neck.
Oh, is this like a stress reliever when your husband's on your nerves or your kids too? Can we?
I can't condone it for that, but you can certainly try it.
Thank you. I'll use these tips for it too. Thank you for that great advice.